HME, not HMJ. Black shirt on a razor scooter, 202 employees, both sued, and was queuing on the scooter eastbound H. Henry.
41. I'll be just about 97 at the store. Any additional units en route, so be well for anyone matching that description.
Hi, copy 241.
Hello. What happened?
There was one homeless guy.
Okay.
This guy, he took this guy and bag and some sandwich from that one. He ran out without making payment.
Okay.
I went after him behind this building. He's just stand by over there. I said, give me this stuff. Then hit me here.
Okay. Did he just hit you with his fist or
With the fist.
with a fist?
The fist.
Modesto Q41, a photo of the suspect has been sent via email.
Hi, copy. Photo of suspect sent to department email.
I got a subject detained that's matching the description of that 211. I'm over by the evidence annex.
Copy.
You have any guns, knives, hand grenades, anything on you shouldn't have?
No, sir.
Anything that's going to poke me? Any needles?
No, sir.
Nothing like that?
No, sir.
You sure?
I'm positive.
I'd rather you be honest with me, okay? Because I don't want to get stuck by anything.
No, sir. I'm telling the truth.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
Well, apart. I said that apart. And I was honestly just trying to...
Would you recognize him if you saw him again? Are you willing? So my sergeant just detained someone?
Yeah. Not this one. No.
No, okay. Are you willing to take a ride with me to see if the person that we have stopped is the person who did this to you?
Yes.
Are you able to close the door, close the store for just a minute? Okay. Adam 19, Q41. We'll be en route for an infield. But you do not have to identify someone just because they're in our custody, okay?
Sure, sure. I'll make sure that right person, okay? Not anyone else.
Adam 19, Q41. Go ahead and walk him out toward the street.
Yeah, this is the one.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. How confident are you in that identification?
200%, sir.
Okay. 200%. All right. And now I will take you back to the station.
They're going to take care of you, okay?
Alright, you're gonna have a seat in the
They'll
back of that
explain to you.
car.
Thank you.